Oh my God, you're so gorgeous. You play rugby, right?
Yeah, I play rugby.
Mind if I crouch, hold, and engage with you?
You must stop it now. So, welcome, Josh. You look a very gentle, calm guy, vero?
Thank you.
In Maltese, do you know what we say?
What do you say?
It's a...
Oh,
There. Mela, was that your real character or was it just for Love Island?
I don't think I've changed too much. I think my character's pretty much the same,
Mela, right.
for better or worse.
yes, my George, dear. Have you discovered what the other islanders were saying about Raquel?
Yeah, I got to watch the show for...
You go to that episode? So, there were many episodes, but anyways.
I got to watch the show for 2 weeks or so before I went in, so it was... I knew the dynamic going in.
Do you feel that you managed to change how they feel about her, Rory?
I don't know if I managed to change, but I think I at least played a little part in it, yeah.
How cute you are, Madonna.
You know what I can't understand?
What can't you understand?
So, both you and Raquel,
Yeah.
you both look very intelligent. Then, stupidly enough, you go on Love Island. Why ruin the reputation?
I don't know, what it hasn't been ruined too much, I don't think, at least not on my end. I don't know about her.
Shit happens, I guess.